The holiday season is upon us, and with it comes the whirlwind of festive shopping that can either fill your heart with joy or your wallet with dread. As we wave goodbye to the recent Labor Day celebrations on September 1st, 2025, a three-day weekend filled with barbecues, parades, and, for many, the first taste of autumn sales, we now turn our gaze to the remaining federal holidays of 2025. Columbus Day on October 13th, Veterans Day on November 11th, Thanksgiving Day on November 27th, and Christmas Day on December 25th. These dates, sprinkled across the calendar like glitter on a holiday card, signal prime opportunities for retailers to lure us into their stores, and for shoppers to either score deals or stumble into financial pitfalls. In this video, we'll dive into the art of holiday shopping with a blend of practical wisdom, cutting-edge trends, and a touch of playful mockery at our consumerist tendencies. We'll explore three key areas: the strategic timing of holiday shopping, the financial highs and lows of chasing deals, and the tech-driven revolution reshaping how we shop. Buckle up! It's time to navigate the 2025 holiday season with both savvy and swagger. Timing is everything. Seizing the holiday shopping window. The 2025 holiday shopping season is a sprint, not a marathon, and timing your purchases is like choreographing a dance with a particularly fickle partner, the retail industry. With Columbus Day, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas looming, each holiday brings its own flavor of sales. Veterans Day, while not traditionally a shopping juggernaut, often kicks off early holiday promotions, especially for patriotic-themed goods or military discounts. Thanksgiving, paired with Black Friday and Cyber Monday, is the heavyweight champion of deal days, with nearly 80% of holiday gift spending expected to occur before Cyber Monday. Christmas, meanwhile, wraps up the season with last-minute markdowns and gift card redemptions fueling a post-holiday spending bump. The recent Labor Day weekend, with its extended three-day break, set the stage for what's to come. Retailers rolled out early fall discounts, from furniture to back-to-school gear, reminding us that the holiday shopping creep starts earlier every year. By mid-August, stores were already teasing holiday decor, a phenomenon dubbed Summerween that had Halloween merchandise haunting shelves in July. This early push means shoppers must act fast or risk missing full-price sales windows. Data suggests that 34% of consumers start their holiday shopping by mid-October, with younger generations like Gen Z and millennials leading the charge, often hitting stores before Halloween for in-store events or gift wrapping services. But here's the rub. Early shopping can lock you into higher prices before the Black Friday frenzy, while waiting too long risks sold-out items or shipping delays. The key is balance. Plan your big-ticket purchases for Black Friday, November 28, 2025, which closes early at 1 p.m. for stock markets but keeps stores buzzing, and Cyber Monday when online deals peak. For smaller gifts, Veterans Day sales can offer sneaky good discounts, especially at big-box retailers. And don't sleep on post-Christmas sales, when gift card redemptions drive a 5% spending spike in early January. Call to action. Mark your calendar for October 13th, November 11th, 27th, and the 25th of December, and start scouting deals now. Download a price-tracking app like Honey or Camel to monitor price drops and avoid falling for fake sales. What's your go-to holiday shopping strategy? Share it in the comments below. The financial roller coaster. Pros and cons of holiday shopping. Holiday shopping is a double-edged sword, slicing through budgets with the precision of a well-aimed snowball. Let's break down the pros and cons with a side of financial reality to keep your wallet from crying uncle. Pros: deals, joy, and economic boost. The upside of holiday shopping is undeniable. Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2025 are projected to see a 15% increase in spending per shopper, averaging $650, thanks to a rosier economic outlook and declining inflation. Discounts on electronics, clothing, and home goods can save you hundreds. Think 30% off a new TV or 50% off winter coats. Gift cards, a favorite for 52% of shoppers giving to friends and 47% to family, let you spread cheer without breaking the bank. Plus, shopping during these holidays fuels the economy, with retail sales expected to grow 3.8 to 4.0% year over year, outpacing forecasts. The emotional payoff is just as sweet. Gifting brings joy, strengthens bonds, and lets you flex your creativity. Whether it's snagging a personalized gadget for your tech-obsessed sibling or a cozy throw for your grandma. Households with kids, spending an average of $2,349 compared to $1,089 for those without, lean into the magic of the season, making memories that outlast the credit card bill. Cons, budget busters and debt traps now for the Grinchier side. Holiday shopping can turn your budget into a festive piñata, spilling your savings with one reckless swing. Inflation, though cooling, still looms. 59% of consumers say it'll influence their spending, with 70% citing higher prices as a reason for tighter budgets. Gen Z, in particular, is slashing holiday budgets by 23%, stung by a tough job market and rising costs. Overspending is a real risk. 89% of shoppers admit they're tempted to splurge, and 94% would make an unplanned purchase if it's on sale. The result? Credit card debt spikes, with the average shopper projected to spend $1,638, up 7% from last year, often financed on high-interest cards. Then there's the psychological trap. Retailers, those crafty elves, use scarcity tactics and limited-time deals to trigger FOMO, pushing you to buy that air fryer you don't need. The spending reset chemise trend, driven by life-stage pressures, means millennials and boomers alike are juggling fixed costs and holiday generosity, often to their detriment. And don't forget shipping costs or the chaos of crowded stores, online or off, which can turn your holiday spirit into a bah humbug meltdown. Financial snapshot. To drive the point home, consider these numbers. 1. Average holiday spend per person, $902 on gifts, food, decor, up $25 from 2024. 2. Households with kids versus without, $2,349 versus $1,089. 3. Black Friday, Cyber Monday spend, $650, up 15% year over year. 4. Gift card usage, 52% for friends, 47% for family, driving a 5% post-holiday spending bump. Chart: Holiday spending by generation, 2025 projections. Call to action. Before you dive into the holiday shopping fray, set a budget and stick to it like glue. Use a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint to track your spending in real time. Subscribe to our newsletter for weekly tips on mastering your holiday finances and avoiding debt traps. Don't let the season's sparkle dim your financial future. Join now. Tech takes the wheel. Trending tools for smarter shopping. If holiday shopping is a battlefield, technology is your trusty steed, galloping through the chaos with AI-powered precision and social media swagger. In 2025, tech is transforming how we shop, making it easier to snag deals, but also tempting us to overspend with a few too many clicks. Let's explore the tools and trends shaping the season with a wink at our gadget-obsessed selves. AI, your personal shopping elf. Artificial intelligence is the gift that keeps on giving. In 2024, web traffic from generative AI chatbots surged 1,300% during the holidays, with Cyber Monday seeing a 1,950% spike. In 2025, 15% of Gen Z and millennials plan to use AI for gift ideas, while 76% of millennials lean on AI for travel recommendations. Tools like ChatGPT or browser extensions like Klarna's AI shopping assistant can compare prices across sites, suggest gifts based on your recipient's interests, or even draft a holiday budget. Imagine asking, "Find me a $50 gift for a coffee lover," and getting a curated list of espresso machines on sale. It's like having a personal shopper who never sleeps. But beware, AI can also nudge you toward impulse buys with hyper-personalized ads. That perfect gadget you didn't know you needed? Probably an algorithm's doing. Stay sharp and cross-check AI suggestions with price trackers to ensure you're getting a real deal. Asterisk Social Media. The new mall, social media platforms, are no longer just for cat videos. They're one-stop shops for inspiration and purchases. In 2025, 43% of Gen Z use social media as often as search engines to discover gifts, with platforms like TikTok and Instagram doubling as storefronts. In-app purchases are booming, with 40% of shoppers discovering a product in one channel and buying in another. Influencer-driven creator content is a key driver, with 95% of wellness-focused shoppers seeking deals via social media. The catch? It's easy to fall for a shiny ad or overhyped product. Always verify reviews outside the platform to avoid buyer's remorse. Mobile commerce, shopping in your pocket. Mobile commerce is king, with over 70% of consumers planning to shop online in 2025, many via smartphones. Apps like ShopSavvy or PriceGrabber let you scan barcodes in-store to compare prices instantly, while digital wallets like Apple Pay streamline checkouts. Mobile apps also offer exclusive deals, with 60% of shoppers seeking healthier products using mobile coupons. The downside? Push notifications can tempt you into unplanned purchases, and mobile screens make it harder to spot fine print. Shop with intention, not distraction. Call to action. Download a price comparison app today and follow your favorite retailers on social media for exclusive deals. But set boundaries. Mute those push notifications to avoid temptation. What tech tools are you using to shop smarter this season? Drop your faves in the comments. Wrapping it up with a bow. Holiday shopping in 2025, framed by Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, is a high-stakes game of timing, budgeting, and tech-savvy strategy. The season, fresh off Labor Day's early discounts, promises deals galore, but also financial pitfalls for the unprepared. By planning your purchases around key sales dates, weighing the pros, savings, joy, against the cons, debt, FOMO, and leveraging AI, social media, and mobile tools, you can conquer the season without sacrificing your financial health. The numbers don't lie, with average spends hitting $1,638 and Black Friday deals driving a $650 surge. Strategic shopping is non-negotiable. So, grab your budgeting app, channel your inner deal hunter, and laugh at the absurdity of Summerween while snagging that perfect gift. Your wallet and your holiday spirit, will thank you. Final call to action. Ready to master holiday shopping like a pro? Share this article with your friends, set your budget, and start tracking deals now. What's the one holiday purchase you're most excited about? Tell us below, and let's make this season merry, bright, and financially sound.